Hello, this video is going to give some tips on how you can find primary sources using North Seattle College Library's resources. This video is for people who have already been introduced to the idea of primary sources. Most likely, you have an assignment that asks you to find primary sources, and that's what has led you here. If you need a refresher on what primary sources are, check out this LibGuide at the following URL for a refresher, check in with the instructor for the class you're doing research for, or contact a librarian. We're happy to help you provide some guidance with this. Disciplines that commonly require primary sources include history, psychology, environmental science, chemistry, biology, and English. One way to find some guidance, no matter the class you are doing research for, is to go to the topic guides page here and search all of the LibGuides for primary sources. You'll see there are many LibGuides created that reference primary sources. This video will show you two: SSC 101 Intro to Info Resources and History 148 U.S. History 1900 to present. Clicking on the LibGuides will open them in an additional tab. Let's first look at this LibGuide for SSC 101. You'll see that each box has a sort of type of resource. This includes websites online that give free access to photos, maps, films, and historical primary content. Databases the library pays for that include art and films. Data and statistics you can find for free online, as well as some tips on how to search Google and find primary source content. You might want further guidance on navigating these resources and contact a librarian if that is the case. This U.S. History LibGuide focuses on websites that specialize in historical primary sources. This list is specific to U.S. history, and the first link here is a library resource that's very helpful for that area of study. Many of the rest of these links focus on the history of the Northwest, but not all of them do. You can also search the World Wide Web using the hints on the SSC 101 guide and advanced Google search. My initial search here is U.S. History Primary Source. And then I open Google Advanced and limit my domain search to .edu down here. So all of my sources are coming from educational websites. I do my search, and I would like to narrow further. So I open my advanced Google search again and add the keywords Washington State internment. This narrows my search substantially. As you can see, it's very common for educational institutions to have online repositories of information on primary sources. This is because many universities have their own collections they make available online, and many professors specialize in this type of research and share their resources online. It can be tricky to find, but with some intentional searching, there's some good stuff out there. This is a small slice of resources on how to find primary resources through the North Seattle College Library. If you want to talk through any obstacles in your research, come see us in the library or reach out to us here by appointment, email, or chat. Best of luck on your research.